Hey guys, here is Akil View from Dynamic Skills, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can fix the issue after WordPress 7.0 update. There's there is a issue on AVada team, and most users of AVada team call me and messages me to how we can get rid of the issue. Issue is here is the black border around the columns, rows, elements. For example, here is column, here is uh, accordion module. Here you can see a lot of sections infected. And how we can get here is the solution on my website, Blogspot. Just only replace this one, and it will be help to fix the issue. You just need to snippet the on the Google settings, and that's it. Go to AVada options, and you just need to add. Here is as I already added, just to show you how I just deactivated this. Save. This code will be fix the issue. Just hit the refresh page, and you can see the neat and clean page we have. Now fix the issue. Hope you guys like this short video. If you like, please like and subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos as well as share with the, the users of our team and your friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye.